Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Barcelona. We are at the Automobile Barcelona Car Show, and today I'm going to show you all the details of the facelifted Ford Fiesta. So this car has the premiere here actually, and you can see it with the new face. So this is the 2022 model. Let's start with the front. So we have the new face, different bumper, different front grille, also the updated headlamps. So LED now as standard. Optionally you can also get the matrix LEDs, and overall I think looks very nice and clean design. Now let me show you the grille in more details. We have the gloss black edge of the grille. This is the ST line, that means more sporty look. We have the aggressive black design on the bumper, as well as some radars, of course, as this car is packed with technology and safety systems. Let me show you the side profile. So here it is. You will notice that we have the new wheel design, and let's see those wheels here. So these are the 18-inch wheels, diamond cut finish, beautiful design. This is the dimension of the tires, so 205 40 R18. This car comes with Continental tires. You see the badge ST line, and I'm quite loving this white color, especially with contrast, no panoramic roof and the tinted windows. So tell me in your comments, how do you like it? Now let's take a look at the back. Look at this spoiler, quite cool, tinted windows as well, and the new LED tail lamps. So nice signature, definitely will be recognizable during the night. And we have both the badge and the lettering of the model. And the model in our video is the EcoBoost Hybrid. I'll talk about the engines and there will be more in the description. I love the fact that the ST line still has the real exhaust. This is something that we don't usually see on the cars these days. And this one also has this cool diffuser, so it all looks quite nice. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts? Let us now check out the trunk. You also have the rear view camera in here. But here, nice square shape, hooks for your shopping bags. The light is on the right side. Of course, you can fold the seats, and then you get the flat bottom. Let me show you the car from this angle. So tell me your thoughts. Now it is time to explore the interior. So when we open the door, you will see more modern interior. Before that, we also have this door protection. And in front of the driver there is a new 12.3-inch digital cockpit with different views. And let's start here. So this is in leather as well, but this is plastic. I love the shape of this, let's say, element on the door panel. The door handles, the classic ones, switches for the windows and the mirrors. This car has the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system. And I must compliment this storage room, because, well, it's huge. You can put some smaller elements here and the bottle in this section. When you enter, you're greeted with the ST line lettering, of course, on this car, and the nice seats, combination of Alcantara and leather with red stitching. But now let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, and this is the view from driver's perspective. I managed to ask the guys here to give contact and have the key here so that we can see the digital cockpit in front of us. That's the new feature of this car, 12.3-inch digital cockpit with different views. And this is the layout. So the main floating touchscreen is the main star in this section. So let's go through all the elements in this interior. All right, so here we have the flat bottom steering wheel with red stitching. Some buttons here to control various things. I'll show you that in a moment. Main touchscreen, imitation of carbon throughout the front. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts on that one? The air vents, and the good thing is that we still have some buttons. And I say good thing because look at this, the AC is on buttons. You don't see that often these days, so usually it is integrated in the touchscreen, which is not ideal. This way it's so much easier. So look at this, the air vents and the temperature. You can see the temperature on your screen. This car also has the heated seats, heated steering wheel, and of course the car needs to be turned on for those features. Here is where you would adjust the AC hazard lights, changing of the tracks, and the volume adjustments. When you press this, the screen goes to this calm screen, and you also have the option to turn it off completely, but not gonna do that right now. Let's put it back on. Wireless charger for your phone, of course, 12-volt power outlet, USB port, 6-speed manual with nice red stitching to go along with the seats. These are the buttons for the driving modes, and actually let me show you those. When you press this, normal mode, eco mode, you see the whole layout of the screen changes. Then we have the sport mode, my favorite probably. I mean, look at this, looks quite cool. Normal mode. So tell me in the comments which digital cockpit view is your favorite. And let's go back to eco mode. So yeah, that's it. So lovely views in front of the driver. I'll put the sport mode on. And yeah, you can also turn off the traction control, start stop system, sensors. Here is where you have the adjustable cup holders and the classic handbrake. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. I know some of you will love that. The middle armrest, when you open it, you have the illuminated USB port inside, but you can't move it, so it's fixed. Let me show you the glove box. Decent amount of room is here. Now let's close it and let's go into this main touchscreen and the main cockpit. So when you press the home button, you go into this main menu. Now you have the widgets. You can configure what you want to see in front of you. Let's actually go to navigation. This is the map. As you can see, it's got the lovely 3D shape of the buildings. We are now at FORD Barcelona, and overall I'm really loving Barcelona. It's a beautiful city, and this is the car show that is happening here, well, in the, let's say, city center, and the lovely buildings can be seen here once again in the 3D shape. You can zoom out here as well with this, so whether you want to use the touch or the button, I mean also the touch, but press it like this. So that was the map. When you go back to home menu, you see shortcuts are here, so it's all pretty easy to use. Audio, you have the list of stations in here. Phone connection, of course, with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as the Bluetooth. Navigation, we saw it. You also have the menu for the navigation, screen view, full map or motorway exit info, traffic list, the previous destinations, point of interest, and stuff like that. The apps, let's say this, connect a device, so Bluetooth connection. There's also a Ford app for your phone. It's called the Ford Pass Connect, and you can see various things about your car and the settings and status of the vehicle there as well. These are the settings for the sound system, for the clock, Bluetooth, phone, radio, driver assistance. Let's see this. So this car is packed with technology: cruise control, speed limiter, lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, traffic sign recognition, rear view camera, blind spot assist, wrong way alert, cross traffic alert, driver alert, and start stop system. Those are the driver and safety assist systems. And let's see the vehicle settings. So you can adjust the lighting, locks, mirrors, wipers, and stuff like that. So yeah, those are the options here. Ford Pass Connect, general settings, language, temperature, units, stuff like that. Not gonna go through that right now. This car also has the voice command, wallet mode, navigation, and actually let's change the display. You can have the calm screen, which is this one. Press it once again, and if we go back to settings, display, you also have different backgrounds available. This is the preset background. but I actually prefer the other one. So let's go back. I prefer this one. You also have other options as well, but I will keep it this. I think it's nice. And you can have the night and day mode. I'll put it to day mode. Takes a bit of time, but yeah, it now goes to day mode. I prefer the night mode actually. So let's go back and put it to the night mode. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Tell me in your comments what are your thoughts. So this is the new Sync 3 infotainment system, the latest one, and the 8-inch touchscreen here, as well as the, as I said, Bang & Olufsen 10-speaker sound system. The keys here, the buttons actually, sorry, for the volume, then for your cruise control. Here is where you adjust the things in front of the driver, traffic signs, consumption, calm screen, so you can configure that out. You also have the option to control various things here. So if you press this, you can select what you want here in front of you. And the audio, for example, FM, now you have the FM on your upper screen. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Voice command, and this is for phone connection or changing of the tracks. And the light switch is here, so this is all pretty easy to use and to control. And one more thing before we go at the back, these are the lights, so you can turn them on or off. And this car also has the panoramic roof, sun visors, they have these automatic lights, and that's it. Now it is time to explore the rear bench. Time to check out the rear bench, and watch this. You see the protection for the doors is here as well for the rear doors. The rear bench, let's jump on board. And well, this is solid. I mean, for a small city car, this amount of room on 1.87 m, this is just about right for my knees. And let me show you how much space I have for my head. And this is it. So because of the panoramic roof, it is a bit less room. So personally, I wouldn't go for the panoramic view, because then you get less room for your head. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. Then again, I'm 1.87 m, so if you are shorter, I think you would be comfortable here, and you would have no problems whatsoever. Let's open the bonnet and see the engine. Okay, so it's easy to open it, no hydraulic struts, so I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, so the model in our video has got the EcoBoost mild hybrid engine, so we have the option of classic petrol EcoBoost engine or the EcoBoost mild hybrid. So that's it, guys, the first look and review of the new Ford Fiesta. Tell me in your comments what are your thoughts on this updated version. I quite like it. New technology is cool, especially with the new digital cockpit. So tell me in your comments, how do you like it? Subscribe to the channel, because there will be plenty of more videos. As you can see, we are at the Barcelona Car Show. Many new vehicles are around us. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.